You walk into the gym and it's a squat day. You put your bag down, open it up, and there's your lifting belt. Questions run through your head. Do I even need this? Is it helping? When should I wear it? In this video, I'm going over 3 different myths surrounding the weight belt. So myth number 1, a weight belt provides stability. And this is just incorrect. A belt does not provide stability, but enhances your capability of being stable. If the goal of a weight belt was to not allow any lumbar flexion, such as a rounded back during squats or deadlifts, then I should not be able to touch my toes with the belt on, which I can. So clearly the belt by itself does not actually stop any lumbar flexion, so what does it actually do? Now a belt is an external cue for you to stabilize your core. It gives you something all the way around 360 degrees to push into. Wearing a weight belt, contracting your core, this will increase your intra-abdominal pressure, which will overall stabilize your torso. So no, a belt does not actually provide stability, but it allows you to provide the stability. Myth number 2, I can build a stronger core without a belt, or a belt makes you weaker. Now this is just absolutely ridiculous. When we look at the research, it's clear to see that a belt increases the rectus abdominis activity on the EMG. Now if it had increased activity on an EMG, it's not going to decrease the strength of that muscle. What about all the other muscles of the core? The study shows that all the other muscles stay the same. So no, a belt does not make you weaker, and you're not going to get stronger by not wearing a belt. Just wear the dang belt. Now let's get into the 3rd myth, which this one drives me absolutely nuts. You only need a belt on a 1 rep max. All reps and sets should be performed with maximum focus and intent. Another way of saying this is treat your warm-up like your max and your max like your warm-up. So not only does the belt increase your rectus abdominis activation, increase intra-abdominal pressure, and increase your overall stability, this study actually shows that it allows you to squat faster. And a faster squat is going to be a stronger squat. If you want to add more weight to the bar, you have to produce more force. The more weight we put on, the more acceleration we need in order to produce enough force to lift that weight. So when do we actually need to wear the belt? You can wear it early on during your warm-ups, but definitely every single working set, you should be wearing your belt. A belt is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of pursuit of becoming better 1 rep at a time. Let me know down in the comments which myth did you find most surprising, and check out this video on screen to see how your bracing is probably holding your squat back. I'll catch you on the next one.